Do you want your child to be fluent in English? Do you want your child to excel at public speaking skills? Do you want your child to be a leader tomorrow? If the answer to these questions are no, then you may skip this message and continue scrolling through your social media feed. But if the answer to these questions are yes, yes, and yes, then all I ask for is 2 minutes of your time. Hi everyone, my name is Vikas and I am a TESOL certified English language trainer and co-founder of Achilles Center of English. According to a recent news report published in Times of India, English as a linked language is gaining more strength in India. As more and more families opt for interstate migration, the statistics supporting the use of English language is only going to rise. To answer the expectations of parents and to fill the gap of modern learning need, we have designed Young Star English program to help our learners in improving their English language skills with active listening, eloquent speaking, fluent reading, and inspired writing. This comprehensive course blends together the 21st century skills like creativity, critical thinking, and collaboration, along with 21st century learning techniques. I invite you to enroll your child for a first-hand experience of our live and online course, the Young Star English program, assured with a 10 days money-back guarantee, no questions asked. And that's not all. We are also running a limited time offer wherein you can avail our course at a discount of 20%. Just use the code ACE Learning when you sign up. All this at the comfort of your home. Stay home, stay safe, and in the meanwhile, don't forget to learn, grow, and excel.